Hey, welcome back. In this video, let's discuss about the equality operators in JavaScript. So here we have two different equality operators in JavaScript. One of them is double equals, another one is triple equals. And depending on the equality, we have the not equal and the strict not equal equality as well. Okay, so we will discuss them in a bit. So what exactly is the difference between the double equals and the triple equals operators? So for the double equals, it just compared the values but not the type. Okay. And for the triple equals, it checks for the equality of the value and the type. Okay. So the double equals do not check for the type, but the triple equals check for the type. So let's see some of the examples in action here. Okay. So I'll go here, CLG. So let's do 4 equals to, okay, double equals 4. It is expected, it is true. Okay, so CLG, let's do 4 not equals to 5. Okay, that is true as well. Okay, that is true. Okay, so if I just do console log 4, okay, let's do 5 equals to let's do 6. Okay, that will be false. And also console log, let's do something like let's do something like 5 not equals to, okay, not equals to, all right, not equals to, let's do 5. That should be false as well. Okay, that makes sense. Now let's see some of the a little bit confusing examples. So console log, what we can do a equals to a. If that is valid, okay, that is totally good. All right, I'll just comment out this once. Okay, so that is good. And also once again, console log a equals to capital A, that should be false. Okay, okay, that is totally understandable and we know why it is happening. So basically what is happening under the hood, this a value is getting converted to its ASCII number and those numbers are being compared to each other. Okay, now let's see something like this. So I will just comment out these two as well. Okay, comment out these two. Now let's do something like 5, the number 5 double equals to the string 5. Okay, so this double equals to operator does not check for the type, and under the hood what it does, basically it tries to convert these two things like this number 5 and the string 5 to a single like type and then try to compares them under the hood. Okay, so that is why what is happening, we are getting true here. Okay, but these two are not equal, right? So now I want to show some of the other things as well. So console log, let's do something like 0 double equals to an empty string. What should happen? It is true. Okay, so these behaviors are not expected and that is why we have the triple equals, and we will discuss about the triple equals in the upcoming video. Okay, all right, then once again console log, let's do 0 double equals to false. Okay, so this is a number and this is a boolean. Once again we are getting true. Okay, console log 1 double equals to true. What happens? We are also getting true. Okay, this is some of the peculiar behavior from JavaScript here. And also let's do one more thing like null double equals to undefined. Okay, this will be also true. So as you can see, the double equals to operator is a little bit problematic because whenever we are comparing two different things, we are not checking for the types, and that is why it is a little bit problematic. And under the hood, it tries to convert them into a one single type and then compare those. Okay, so this is a little bit problematic and that is why we have the triple equals as well. Okay, awesome. So this is basically the double equals comparison operator, and also we have seen the not equals as well. Okay. So in the next video, we will discuss about the triple equals and how it is different from the double equals and what are the benefits of using triple equals inside of JavaScript. Okay, awesome.